Zoom you guys in here. So this little float right there is up all the way. The water's not cutting off completely. It's still dripping over this tube and going down. So I'm gonna replace the fill valve and the flapper. It's coming out. So it's an old style brass one. I think that tank says 88. It's probably original. This is probably original to the toilet itself. You know, this old one has a metal nut on the bottom. Most of them are just plastic. Here's what's going to go back in. This goes on there. This piece you gotta pop out. And this part, but the flat part goes up here. Sometimes you'll buy these and it'll already be on there, so it depends where you get it at. And this piece goes on that side.
I could ask you to do one more thing.
Yeah.
Oops. You can see. 30 years ago when we put the bathroom and they only had that gold fixture.
Right.
I have two silver ones. You could choose two.
Did I put on there for you?
I have them right behind us. I don't know which one you prefer.
All right.
But anyway, I would love if you would do that too. It doesn't matter to me. I don't know if one is easier or better to use than the other.
Yeah, probably that one.
Okay.
Because this one's for a hose.
Oh, well then, good thing I have the other one.
Right.
Okay. Thank you.
No problem. No problem.
Well, I remembered that.
I'm gonna fix this toilet and probably needs a new one, but for right now, I'm just gonna replace the parts inside of it. They don't use it much, it's only in the basement. So, it's not like it's a main toilet. And there's your flapper that goes on there. You probably have to adjust the chain on it once you get it installed. With the chain kind of tight, not super tight, but just a little give in there. Let's get this water back on and flush it a few times. See what happens to it. Might have to adjust it again. We'll find out. Alright, so I gotta raise this thing up. Fill valve. There's a sewer ejector on the pump on the inside. So it's clinking around over there. Alright, let's turn the water back on. See what happens with it.